how can we blur text in PowerPoint. First, we need to convert a text like this into an image. So select the text frame and copy, Command-C is the shortcut. Then right-click in the empty area and select Paste Special. And as you can see here, we can now paste back this text as different formats. In our case, picture, PNG picture will do. Click OK. It seems like the very same text, but actually this is an image. So now we can head to picture format at the very top and simply apply a blur effect to it. Head to artistic effects and then you can search for the blur on the list. Like that. Keep in mind, you can double tap and adjust how strong will be the blur. From here you can also reset the whole effect and change it to something else. Alright, so that's how you can blur the text in PowerPoint. First, select the text frame, Command-C to copy and then right-click, Paste Special. Paste it as image and apply a picture format effect called blur here in the artistic effects. And that's all. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.